Here is the Morgana DigiFold ProFold 385. It's a creaser folder unit powered off 115 volts AC. All the details and specifications can be found on our website at boggsequipment.com. You have your on-off switch to the front. Power plug plugs in the bottom right. Large, deep capacity pile feed. Currently have 1117 set up. I'm going to do a letter fold. Here's my job setup. Go ahead and hit run. See the system homes itself out. For any questions or inquiries in this machine, you can contact our sales department. You see them stacking up on the delivery. See the counter counting off of the 50 batches. Finished up the batch. Here again, we have the Morgana ProFold 385.